Listen to those winds. You could hear the winds whipping through the trees at Chambers Bay in Pierce County and in a lot of places across western Washington today. It was just really gusty.
Really gusty again. So Adam, how long is this stuff going to last?
We're pretty much coming to the end of it right now.
Okay.
Today we did see some gusts again, high, not quite as high as yesterday's peak numbers, but all of this being driven by this big bomb cyclone. Of course, we talked about it so much this weekend, but the big thing was that it was historic in the matter of it had the lowest pressure ever off of the Washington coast, which I'm going to show you that here in a second. But first, let's head to Plainfield, home of the 61-mile-per-hour wind gusts here this past weekend. Plainfield, you can see the clouds moving along with each frame of this camera view right here. It's quieting down, not as much of the raindrops here for us, but we could still see some few showers as we go on into the night. So the bomb cyclone, let's recap that again. The lowest pressure ever off of the Washington coast as the cyclone dipped to 942.5 millibars. Peak wind gusts actually out at Destruction Island at 68 miles per hour. Everett coming in at 61 miles per hour. SeaTac Airport coming in at 49 miles per hour. And some more numbers for you here. Hoquiam actually saw a wind gust of 56 miles per hour, and Tacoma coming in at about 52. Well, you can see what's happening closer to the coast right now. Skies cloudy, kind of a gloomy look, kind of a misty look too at our Westport camera. You can see things are still pretty much wet there. High wind warning now no longer in effect along the coast, but we still have it across parts of the islands, parts of North Sound, and heading up into more of northern interior until midnight. And then we have a high surf advisory in effect until 3 a.m. Some of those waves down that way possibly around 25, maybe as high as 30 feet with some of the stronger winds that we still have left around. Now, as far as our current winds, these are the sustained winds, so we're going to see those around 10 to maybe 20 miles per hour. The higher amounts again around some of those areas where we still have that high wind warning that is in effect. And as far as the wind gusts, they have come down since earlier today, but they're still noticeable around 25 miles per hour in Oak Harbor, 30 in Arlington, 29 in Bellingham, and right around 18 in Forks. And you can see that the winds, well, they stay definitely on the stronger side here over the next couple of hours, 10 to 20 miles per hour. But then as we get past midnight, a lot of these numbers do start to come down around 10 to 15, even seeing some dropping below the 10 mile per hour mark for a little while. But then with our next wave of moisture coming through heading into late tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon, check out what our winds do. Again, we start to see those picking up around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Probably won't see as high as of the gusts as we did before, but we are going to see that those will start to pick up again, and then those will start to die down for our Wednesday before, well, guess what? Thursday we'll have another system move on through, and that's going to help to provide some heavier rain and more of the wind. Highs generally sitting in the 50s here as we go throughout the week, but we do have a silver lining, and it's called the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and then next Monday, all looking to be sunny with temperatures in the 50s. Jessica.